As we head back to learning, whether you're in person or online, two things have to be ready. Your brain has to be ready and your body. That's why you got to start with a nutritious breakfast. Today, total cereal. Why total? Because of this right here. Look at that. You see what it says it's inside total cereal? Iron. They say it's fortified with iron, but it couldn't be real iron, could it? Or could it? That's today's experiment. So watch, you're going to take the cereal, and I found some just really great flakes, these big flakes, and put some water here. I'm going to float them on the surface of the water to reduce the friction. So now watch what happens when we get close with a super strong magnet. This is a neodymium magnet. Watch what happens when we get close. You can actually cause the flakes to move around. Is that static electricity, or is there really iron that's attracted to the magnet? Now, the only way to figure it out is to actually make some total soup. All right, so here's what you're going to do. Take a Ziploc bag and dump the cereal inside, about a cup of cereal. And to that, you're going to add water. It needs to get really liquidy. You're going to need to make soup cereal, right? So shake it around, let it sit for a couple minutes. When you're ready to go, it should look something like this. I know, pretty appetizing. So now watch what you're going to do. You're going to take the neodymium magnet, and notice how I left some air inside. I'm going to rest it on top like this, turn it upside down, and now make sure that all of it makes contact with that magnet. Because if there really is iron in that cereal, you should be able to see, you know what it looks like, little tiny iron filings. Would you look at this? Iron fortified cereal. Actually, look at that. Has iron inside. There is the iron in your total breakfast cereal. Roughly sheared ingot iron, it's what they add. Now they say that it's absorbed in your body. I'll let you make that determination, but you can actually pull the iron out of your breakfast cereal. What a cool experiment to be able to do to show a teacher online or maybe even in person. In fact, all of our Science Minute experiments are kind of cool to be able to share as you head back to learning. So go to 9news.com, search Science Minute or Steve Spangler. You'll find all of them. It'll be a great thing for you to be able to share, and you get to be pretty popular at the same time doing some cool experiments. I'm Steve Spangler, and that's your nutritious Science Minute.